Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a single, well-lit photo. You want contrast between foreground and background. Once open in your editor, duplicate the base layer and create 3 masks: foreground, midground, background. Now make a simple grayscale depth map by filling masks with varying gray values, white for closest, black for farthest. Make sure to keep transitions soft. Harsh edges break the 3D illusion. This first pass sets depth scale, so be decisive but quick. Once you have a depth map, convert it into motion. Use it as a displacement or parallax map inside your compositor or 3D app. You'll offset image layers by depth values. Closer layers move more, farther layers move less, so animate a tiny camera pan or convert into a stereo pair. Blur the depth map slightly. This smooths transitions and avoids halos. Make sure to feather masks and check seams. If you need more dimensionality, separate thin elements like hair or railings onto their own layers first. To finish, set output format, anaglyph for red/cyan, side-by-side for VR, or export a depth-enabled GLTF for interactive 3D. Add a subtle global light and shadow to cell volume. Fill any transparent gaps with content-aware fill or clone pixels. Render at full resolution, then downscale if needed. If you see halos or jitter, reopen the depth map, increase blur slightly, and tighten mask edges. This fixes most artifacts. One tip: test on multiple displays to confirm the 3D effect reads consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.